Hello, this is Dr. Clancy again. I just want to do a quick overview of Module 1. I'm going to walk quickly through all the modules. They're pretty self-explanatory, and you can always ask questions. Every module begins with an overview and what your responsibilities are. Again, there's some due dates down here. Not sure they're all correct, so if they're not, let me know and I will send out an announcement. They should be, but I'm not exactly sure. There's some information on how to do scholarly writing. There's your discussion board on SMART objectives, and then you upload your discussion here. And then there's some really good videos on learning from people from our strengths of the past and our strengths for the future. Help information on identifying your topic and problem. We'd like you to make a PICOS question if you can out of your problem, and I can certainly help you do that. How to do a lit search, how do you synthesize the literature, and then there's a lot of information on the student-led seminar in here, and I'm going to go through that when we get to assignments. And then if you want, there's ask a question at the last section of every module. So that's pretty much Module 1.